Om Namaha Shivaya. Here we are seeing finest quality real pearl in perfect round shape. This is a real saltwater pearl collected from Indian Ocean. Perfect round shape, high shining and high luster. All are big size pearl. See, these all pearls are 100% real, 100% natural saltwater pearl collected from the Indian Ocean oyster. You can use it for jewelry purpose. Om Namah Shivaya. We can make ring, pendant or necklace using this pearl. By sound you can see its originality. All are perfect round. 100% real, 100% natural saltwater pearl collected from the Indian Ocean. All are beautiful pearls.